What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and I always try to keep my eyes out for some decent deals. One being on power supplies. For a while now, server power supplies have kind of skyrocketed in value, and I just noticed these new style server power, well, they're not new, but, new to me, style server power supplies have just been added back to Parallel Miner. Let me get the screen up. I am going to be ordering, I think, one of the bigger ones. There's not a ton of them in stock, so I was kind of making like just basically a little video for the people that watch my videos, and hopefully you get a good chance of getting one of these. Let's minimize that. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. These are the Dell 750, 1100, 1850, and 2000 watt platinum rated server power supplies. I have never used the Dell ones, so I don't have anything to actually base them off of. But a 2000 watt, I am really, really pumped up about that thing. I apologize, my daggone, I didn't mute anything before I started recording. That is my mistake, guys. Okay, I just muted everything. So, starting off at the top, 750 watt platinum rated, can run off of 110 or 240, and with no cables, $50. If you go ahead and slap 8 cables on there, $74. 4 cables, $62. Seems like a pretty decent deal. That's not what I'm really interested in here, though. It's the 2000 watt platinum rated, and you can get this bad boy for $99 with 0 cables. And if you go down, I think at 100 to 120 volts, so regular wall plugs, it'll put out 1000 watts. And depending on what kind of 240 you have, because there is higher rated depending on your area. Like, I technically, my 240 is not 240 volts, so if you look at this right here, it shows you the wattage output depending on your the voltage on the wall. So mine is like 210 technically, so I'd only be able to get about 1750 watts. I don't know exactly how that works out, but if you have 230 to 240 volt, then you get a full 2000 watts out of that bad boy. And for $99, it just seems like a really good deal. They only have 10 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and snag one of those. Moving down the list, they have an 1850 watt for $74. Doesn't seem like a bad deal either. At 110 volts, like a regular wall plug, you only get 800 watts out of that. So I don't think that would be a better buy over a straight 750 watt if you don't have 240 volt power. So the 750 watts, you get 750 watts at 110 and 240. Stepping up to the 1100 watts, you only get 1050 watts at 110, and you get 1100 watts at 240. And those are $65. Oh wow, those are $15 more than the 750 watts. I might grab a 1100 watt and a 2000 watt. I don't buy a ton of cables because I already have like a box of them. But if you needed to add on cables, they're not that expensive. But if you go through here and you look and it says it's out of stock, change it to a different cable amount, and there'll be different amounts of them in stock. So there's 15 of them that come with 10 cables. There's 5 of them that come with 4 cables. I guess they go ahead and pre-package these kits. There's 14 of them that come with 16 cables. So so that's individual. So there's like 15 of these, 16 of those, 5 of those. Just if you have a problem finding them in stock. Looks like the most that they have is the 750 watts. They have a bunch of those in stock. So yeah, they have 24 of the 2000 watts with 16 cables. 25 with 12 cables, 20 with 10 cables, 20 with 8 cables, 10 with 4 cables, and with no cables, 10. So I don't know. Hopefully this information helped you. I will put the link down below for these. Yeah, if you have any experience with these, also, I'd love if you could drop a comment down below. I'll try to I'll try to find a comment and pin it. And if you're watching this video super far into the future, I would imagine this is kind of like the last couple videos I did. These bad boys sell out, and when they sell out, they're pretty much gone for a while. So it kind of is what it is. I actually had people commenting on my last video where I was found some deals on a power supply, and there was people that were genuinely upset that the power supplies were sold out. So it's like, do you not want me to tell you guys about it, but then you wouldn't know about it kind of situation? It's like a weird situation to be in. So hopefully you guys do like this. I do get a kickback because I am an affiliate with Parallel Miner. They're one of the few companies that I have no problem recommending. I've never had any issues out of them. Actually, I had one bad power supply. I emailed them. They sent me another one, and I've sent mine back. So there was simple, painless, easy. If you get anything and it doesn't work, just email them and they'll make it right. So with that being said, guys, keeping it short and sweet tonight. Y'all have a good one. Just to update y'all, I went and my wife took a test. I have not taken a test. I have not left the house, but she has not got her results back yet. But she is feeling very crummy. I was feeling bad earlier, but now I feel like $1,000,000. So hopefully that's good on all that front. Our baby is still feeling really good, so I'm trying to do all the baby handling and just having her rest and stay in bed and really take it easy. So I am slightly quarantining her to the bedroom and just kind of like, here's crackers, here's soup. She really doesn't want to eat anything, is what it is. Anyway, peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.